Evening everyone. My name is Anjali. I am from Sector 70 Mulberry and I am working in that place.
Okay. So, what do you do by the way? What's your job role?
Uh, Before my job role is a receptionist, but I am now sales executive.
Okay. How do you see a girl as a sales executive? Because we generally find the men are good at sales. Do you think girls are also good at sales?
Yes, sir. Girls are also good in sales. I think girls are more than
Are
good
better
for
than
better than men.
why any specific reason?
Actually,
Do you
they
think people buy so many unnecessary things, unwanted items because they are buying from a girl?
actually, sir. I thought people are attracted by girl and
Means
they
you
they
agree?
want to listen girl more than for boys.
Okay,
So,
that's why we find in the offices at
yes, sir. Actually, pupils are listen more girls and girls are understand what he want and they find the real situation and they sell our product or not. It's depend on condition.
how do you see independent women at present time?
Uh, Sorry, sir.
How do you see an independent woman at present time? एक independent woman को आप कैसे देखते हैं आज के टाइम पे?
Sir, actually, I thought independent women is very important in our life, and nowadays is also because you don't know when situation
Can be worst.
can be worst, and you are dependent. So you fight for everything, and you stand for yourself.
Okay. What are the big challenges a woman is facing at present time?
Sir, actually, first is the actually nowadays the families are also supporting, but some when we go in a middle class family and lower and poor middle class family, their families are not lot of supported the girls. They do not want to lot of money spent for on girls. So that's is the first reason is family, and second reason is a market in market the girls in also we are going a industry area, so boys are take a higher amount for that role, but girls is also nowadays like boys are getting 40 crore, so girls are getting 4 crore, but girls are doing hard work, they show our body, they do hard, but the society also different the girls and
Okay.
boys.
How would you react to a statement? People are making a statement nowadays, girls are dominating than boys. Do you think girls are dominating than boys today?
Sir,
Earlier we used to talk about save girls, but now people are raising slogans about save men.
sir,
I'm talking about blue drum.
Sir, actually, we count 100 girls, so 20 girls is like this type of
20,
girls. Yes.
80% are
Yeah, 80
innocent.
Yes, sir.
So are you 81 or 21?
Sir, when the situation create, I
So
go.
so you can also turn into
Yes,
20.
yes, sir. Because sir, nowadays we can't believe anyone.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You need to understand a woman was harassed means many years.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But at present time we have seen only few cases of harassment of boys. Do you think that somewhere boys are weak? Means a girl has faced and tolerated the harassment of men long years, but man has become means
Yes.
upset somewhere within few cases.
Yes, sir. But sir, this case is I feel this is not good for boys. But yes, it's a good question. Girls are also. It's very long time.
They have been harassed.
Yes, yeah, harassed, and no one action and no one take any like this type of videos and any type. Some pupils are stand for that. Them.
Do you think somewhere media is biased? Earlier, like girls were also exploited, but no one was raising a lot of questions. But nowadays, every time you will find everyone is talking about on press. You will find you switch on TV on national media, on a stream media. They are talking about same news every day. Every day they are revealing a new news about a man. Somewhere do you think that press is changing the mood of nation?
Yes, sir. Actually, I don't believe nowadays press because they are shouting, only shouting, and they create the. I believe that type of news they are silently and they like DD news.
Did news.
They provide a very good news and very silently. So I love that type of news. I don't like India. They are shouting lot of and they.
What is your personal stand in the favor of man or woman?
Sir, actually, I'm support both of them because sometimes men's are also facing lot of challenges in our life, and we are supporting like girls, like she's. So we support both of them, but who is the more needed? We provide.
Do you
help
think
them.
somewhere in the corporate world, men are paid less just because of women? Because they agree to work with pay scale, with less pay scale. Suppose a man is being paid 25, but a woman is agree with 15K, so somewhere the pay scale has decreased just because of women. It is an allegation. Just because of women,
Sir, this
pay
is.
scale has decreased.
Sir, this is right, but some women are a lot of need for job, and she want to prove the own self in our family and friends and other persons. So that's why they went the market and they decided I do the job, and sometime reason and sometime they are doing time pass. So
How do you feel about yourself at present time?
sir, actually, I'm feeling very better, and when it's good.
It's good. Everything is going
Yes,
good.
yes.
Well, class was good.
Thank you.